Now let's have a look at what it actually, how it works with Messente, so what it looks like to engage with. And I've just set up a demo here to using Postman to show you the API calls on the Omnichannel API and how they work. Um, Unlike with Vibrant SMS, where in the API request you'd write down the full body of the message, with WhatsApp, for marketing, utility, and authentication, you have to pre-register the templates you're going to use with WhatsApp. It's a way of allowing them to make sure spam isn't going through the platform and trying to keep it a clean environment. You can still vary images and include variable parameters. So there's still quite a bit of flexibility. But what this means is rather than writing out the message, all we simply do is refer to the template that we want to use. So you'll see within the call, I'm showing the number I want to send it to, choosing the channel WhatsApp, and then choosing the template that I'm sending. And then I've got a couple of variable parameters included within there. So if I hit send on that, I'll then get back my normal Omnichannel API response, and that message would land into my WhatsApp inbox, showing those variable parameters. We can have a look at a couple more templates, work in a very similar way. So request a utility template this time, and this time I'm using the variables to show things like tracking numbers, estimated delivery dates being inserted in there, and they've got a link in order to track that shipment. Same sort of thing with an authentication message. This time we're showing them their security codes, and they can choose to then copy the code to post it in. Autofill also works very seamlessly with WhatsApp. Next, we've got more of a marketing message. So here, that long URL is an image that I've inserted. So now we've got long form, headers, text formatting, emojis, and a number of call to action to really maximize my chance of engagement. Finally, then we often get asked, great, but what about users who haven't got WhatsApp? Do they just get left behind? And no, they don't. The Omnichannel API makes it very, very easy to check if the user's got WhatsApp. If they don't, we just fall back to the next channel. So in this example, I'm sending to a number that doesn't have a WhatsApp account, and I've got an SMS fallback. So when I click send, in my response, it's then going to show we've now got an SMS in there as well. I'm not going to receive that on my phone because it's going off to a different phone. But what we can do is jump into the dashboard, look at our history page, and we'll then see all those messages I've just sent out recently. And second from the top, we're going to see a failed WhatsApp message. And if I hovered over that, it would tell me that user just hasn't got a WhatsApp account. And so it sent an SMS version to the same number, and that has delivered successfully. So very, very simple. All your users will be covered. Where we can, we direct the traffic to WhatsApp to give them the better experience and often the lower cost. Where we can't, it would fall back to SMS, and you don't pay for anything not delivered.